Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a day in my life. Today's day is going to be very productive, very hectic. There's a lot happening. Most importantly, I'm going to be going for an event. It's going to be a very special event hosted by Maybelline in honor of Lash Day. I have their invite right here and the invite is also so cute. I've never been to an event that's in an arcade, so it's going to be really exciting. So I'm already done with my elaborate event skincare routine. However, we do need to do our makeup. My outfit still needs to be decided. I need to get my hair done. I need to eat something. So there's a lot that needs to get done. So now that I've made a mental to-do list, let's get started with the day. And this is my makeup for today. I've kept it very natural and glowy. Of course, मैंने जितने भी products use किए, I'll make sure to link them in the description for you guys. I like the look right now. I might go in and add some rhinestones is what I'm thinking. But let's get dressed before that. Okay, so let's get dressed. The theme for today is going to be muted pinks, like baby pink, because I want to dress up like my favorite mascara, the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. So I do have a dress that I bought especially for this occasion. This is the one. It's very Gen Z. It's a bodycon dress, but I'm not sure how I'm going to style it. Let me just put this on and then we'll figure it out. This is the dress. Fits quite well actually. This is the first time that I'm trying it on and I'm very happy with the way it looks. I've been so nervous about my outfit, but looks quite nice. Let's layer it. So this white jacket is Ashi's. Just the other day, Alfia and Ashi helped me so much with my outfit. I just told you guys, मैं बहुत nervous थी. So they were like, we'll help you style it. So she said that this white jacket would look really nice with it. Looks cute, but I'm not sure how. Like, I don't know if I love it. Let's continue accessorizing. And then these socks are Alfia's. However, the pink ka shade doesn't match. Like, this is a different shade altogether. I wish it matched. It would have looked so cute. So I'm just going to go with plain white socks. On go the socks. And these are the shoes that I'm going to be wearing. ये भी मैं कल गई थी अल्फिया and आशी के साथ लेने के लिए. I think these will really bring the entire look together. It's giving school PT day, rich kid edition. I think it's looking quite nice. And this is the bag that I'm going to be carrying to match my socks and shoes. I think it'll just tie the whole look together. Oh, and also I'm going to be carrying these matching glasses just in case for like pictures and stuff like that. So I'm pretty happy with my outfit. I did ditch the jacket because दोनों collar पे collar बहुत funny लग रहा था. But overall, I'm quite happy. I feel satisfied. I was so worried about this. Obviously, जब hair और सब कुछ हो जाएगा तो the outfit will look even better. But I think now I need to fill my bag. I need to stick on my nails. That is something that I really need to do, and eat before Ami comes because Ami is gonna come and do my hair. So I need to be prepared before that. So for my hair, I've decided to do like a heatless hairstyle. You guys know कि ये साल मैं try कर रही हूँ to use as little heat as possible on my hair. We're gonna do like a really cool tie-up thing and leave my hair as it is. Let's get done with the rest of the to-do list. After a lot of rubber bands and aloe vera gel, my hair is all done. It's very different, but I quite like it. I'm gonna go leave for the event because I'm running quite late. I'll do like a full OOTD once I reach there. But let's go. One of my favorite mascaras from Maybelline is their Sky High mascara, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. First of all, the wand is so wiggly, it makes the application so much easier, and I feel like instantly you can see the length and the volume that it gives me. Here's kind of like a before and after. One eye has the mascara and the other eye doesn't have the mascara, and what a huge difference this mascara makes. Other than that, this is waterproof and it will not budge whatsoever. Then we have the Colossal Volumizer. This was actually one of my first mascaras that I ever used. This will give you dramatic long lashes. The Hyper Curl Curler Mascara. You do not need an eyelash curler when you use this one. It's gonna give you such pretty curled long lashes. And then we have the Falsies Lashed Lift. If you love false lashes, you need to try this one out. Not only does Maybelline know how to make some bomb mascaras, but they also know how to throw an event. Today's event was probably one of the most fun events that I've been to. Of course, it was in an arcade. It was so much fun. I'm gonna make sure to link all the Maybelline mascaras in the description box so that you guys can check it out for yourself, especially the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Oh, by the way, this is the PR kit that they gave us while we left. The packaging to begin with is so cool. It's a box, okay, and then when you open it, it has all the 4 mascaras. I've said this before, no one does mascaras like Maybelline, and here we have there are 4 mascaras. So the first one right here is the Colossal Volumizer. Then we have the Hyper Curl Mascara. Then we have the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I feel like this is a lot of people's favorites. It's my favorite as well. And lastly, we have the Falsies Lash Lift. I'm gonna go get rid of this and I'll see you in a bit. My hair is finally free. Makeup is off. Nails are off. I'm wearing a comfy outfit. I feel very good. However, I am a little bit tired, so let's go make a cup of coffee. So I usually have hot coffee, but today I'm gonna have some cold coffee. And that's my revolutionary coffee recipe. So now that I have my coffee, I can think a little bit more clearly. They say a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, and it is so true. Whenever I get ready for stuff, I tend to throw things around everywhere. And also I've been shooting the past few days, so like the clutter has been piling up essentially, and I really need to declutter, organize, and just clean my space. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Has been such a good productive day. Got done with cleaning. The entire studio is so clean and I just feel so relieved, honestly, and I feel very light because my space is so clean and tidy. And I think with that I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I had such a good day. All in all, it was very productive. I went for the Maybelline event, which was so much of fun, and overall I feel very fulfilled. Of course, I'm gonna make sure to link the Maybelline mascaras in the description box below for you guys to check it out. I want to thank Maybelline for being a partner for today's video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.